Over 300 people have been charged after being found with untagged animals by the authorities. The National Animal Identification and Traceability System was introduced to fight predial larceny and support food security. Romardo Lyons has the details.
Handcuffed at the back of police vehicles and brought to a lockup, many are then charged. That has been the reality for hundreds of people who've been found with animals that weren't tagged. The numbers, commanding officer for the Jamaica Agriculture Protection Branch, SSP Oral Pasco, revealed were recorded in under 12 months.
So far we have charged, we have arrested and charged over 300 persons so far. I remember this branch was formed June of this year. So this makes approximately 6 months. But our effect on the market is that we are serious about getting an effective traceability system, verification system for the movement of agriculture produce. We are serious about this. It has other implications for Jamaica.
The Agriculture Ministry's Veterinary Department and the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Predial Larceny team were in St. Elizabeth over the weekend for what was dubbed a tagging blitz. This after a backlog was worsened by Hurricane Melissa.
For the animals like goats, probably coming on next year, for cattle now, there's a thing called NATE, National Animal Handling and Traceability System, that is in place. That's where you see the animals with the yellow ear tag and a passport. That is a very effective traceability methodology, and we're enforcing this in law. So we're enforcing that as we go along, and that is one of the measures, one of the strategies to control the theft of cattle. So if they steal a cow or cattle, it will make it very difficult for them to carry to market. So that is why the verification system is so important, both for the farmers and the consumers.
The Chief Technical Director in the Agriculture Ministry says there was a specific target. Now, a warning to farmers with untagged animals.
If you don't tag your animal, you technically would be breaching the law if you try to drive on the public thoroughfare without the tags and the passport. It's a requirement of law. We're a law enforcement officer, we're going to carry this through.
SSP Pasco says it's in the best interest of the farmers.
What this does is that it makes it difficult for criminals to go steal a cow with the untag cows in the night and try to move it to market. Because if we stop them, and that is why we get some of the arrests, if we stop them and they're not tagged and have a passport and the requisite receipt, then we arrest and charge.
Last week, the ministry said a series of parish-wide animal tagging activities began, aimed at strengthening livestock traceability, food safety, and disease management systems. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.